Hi, welcome to today's video. It's a really quick one today. I haven't got a lot of time. It's busy teaching this week, so I thought I'd just do a quick sketching video. And I quite like this scene behind me here, where it's the sun coming through these trees in the edge of the woods. And I've just set all my stuff up. We've got here Khadi sketchbook, my pots, which is going to be filled with water from here. I've got my old pencil case, which is going to be the palette for the casein paints. The casein paints are in here, and I've got my brush tube here. It's got my brushes in, which I use for casein and sometimes for watercolour as well. So this is the setup, and I'll try and film it as best I can. So watch this space and we'll see how we get on. Started here with a very quick watery wash. There's woodpecker. Quick watery wash just to get something down as quick as possible and cover that area. Lots of scribbling and pushing the brush around, different colours, remixing all the time just to try and create this effect. That's as far as we've got so far. I think now I'm going to just re-establish that bright sun in amongst the trees, and I'll start drawing into it with a graphite pencil. Yeah, Basil, treat for you. Keep you going for a minute, isn't it? Hey, good boy. I'm just going to scratch through some water-soluble graphite stick. Scratch through in a few places. Get some different sort of marks, scribbles and things through there. It will make different marks because some paper's dry in places and still very wet in others. What's up with you, Basil? Just had a biscuit. Yeah, the paper was acting very strange here. Wouldn't let me get any paint on. Very strange in places, but the effects are quite nice. So that's the sun coming through the trees there, and casein paint, and it's quite cold, isn't it, Basil? It's freezing, isn't it? Good job you got your coat on. So it's 28th of Feb. It's about 9:30. So that's the finished sketch there. Casein paints on Khadi handmade paper sketchbook, and I've just filmed it all on my phone today because I'm a bit busy this week video wise. So there we go. Now you can see I'm in the sun now. The sun's come round. Hey Basil, here he is down here. There, look. Hey, I know. Yes. Thanks very much for that kiss, Basil. That's just what I needed. That's the end of that little video. Sketching with casein paints in the woods in the morning when it's quite chilly. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.